Today, I want to highlight a very innovative social media approach that is just crushing it. Believe me, I know during this quarantine how difficult it is to do marketing without offending people. But this approach to marketing, I think, is a huge winner and something we can all learn from. So the National Cowboy and Western Heritage Museum in Oklahoma City decided that it would be cute if they allowed their security guard to start tweeting about the museum. Of course, nobody's there, not even the employees. It's just a security guard that's watching over the entire place. So they give him the social media reins, supposedly, and he just goes to work. And what he does is he highlights different parts of the museum and in kind of this dad humor, awkward kind of way, highlights each of the museum pieces that are in the museum on kind of a daily basis. So he's keeping people engaged, and they are crushing it. My hat's off to them. I mean, he's done a phenomenal job, and he's become the voice of the museum during this crisis. I mean, how difficult is it to pull that off? So I think their attempt at marketing the museum is brilliant. I mean, it's gaining global attention. Just go look at their feed. I'll put it in the notes. And it's something that you and I can kind of learn from is, can we find our soul, our voice during can we find our own voice during this time, or use the voice we have to educate or entertain people during this time of crisis, and do it in a way where it's not going to offend people. It's going to endear them to you. And believe me, people will be remembering Cowboy Tim for a very long time after this is all said and done. So that's my lesson for today. Let me know what you think in the comments.